Did you know the biggest barrier to success isn't lack of money or skills? It's the fear of losing the people you love. Success forces you to become someone new, and that terrifies people around you. When you start waking up at 5 a.m., your friends call you crazy. When you stop going to every party, they say you've changed. When you invest in yourself instead of buying things, family questions your priorities. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Some relationships were built around your struggles, not your success. They need you to stay the same so they feel better about staying stuck. Successful people understand this. They love old friends from a distance. They find new communities that celebrate their growth. They stop feeling guilty for evolving. Your growth will make some people uncomfortable. That's not your problem to fix. The person you're becoming deserves relationships that support your vision, not tear it down. Stop shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. Your breakthrough is waiting on the other side of that guilt. Choose your future over their comfort every single time.